ibigay ko sa lahat sa kanila ang opsyon. Alam nila na they are serving under a commander-in-chief who is a drug addict.
You are lying!
Come again, sir?
You are lying!
Look, because they were stupid persons ask me questions. I was answering them stupid answer.
You are lying!
Come again, sir?
You are lying!
Ayaw ko na. I'm just give a statement. Bahala kayo.
Mayor, what do you expect after meeting with some of the military officials and officers? Ang sinasabi. What do you expect from them after the meeting? After meeting them?
Military?
Yes po.
Expectation. Wala. Ako sa military. Sabihin ko nga, ibigay ko sa lahat sa kanila ang opsyon. Alam nila na they are serving under a commander-in-chief who is a drug addict. Na huwag nilang bulahin ang Pilipino na hindi alam nila yan. And they can always check it out with the Presidential Security Command. Bahala sila. Kanilang trabaho yan protector of the Constitution. How do you protect the Constitution? So if we protect the Constitution by saying that we will protect a drug addict for president for another 4 years, well and good. Yun ang gusto ninyo. Yun ang masunod.
Will you ask them that question, Mayor?
Again?
Will you ask them that very question that you just said now? The protector, are you going to ask them that?
Sinasabi ko lang, ngayon na. Sinasabi ko na, I'm not asking. I'm telling them, sabi kasi ngayon, that they are the protector of the people. And that itong free expression, itong the right to be on the opposite side is always protected by the Constitution. And the right of information, importante yung information Saan na naman ang pera namin? So we are invoking sa military na ang tao kami nagtatanong the right to be informed about the money that has been spent since then and the right of redress of grievance kung nawala na. Kagaya nito. PhilHealth. Contribution namin ito sa individual. Kayo wala hindi sa PhilHealth. Tanangin ko kasi ngayon, saan yung pera ninyo ngayon? Ito ang naiwan na lang is out of the 89 billion, 29 na lang. So yung ang nawala nito, tanong ninyo saan yung pera ngayon? Saan yan? Saan ang pera niyan? Ayuda. Hindi mo man ibigay yan sa tao kasi ginakuha yan sa bulsa natin para sa kung magkasakit tayo. If you spend it for some other way, that is malversation. And that I will tell ang sundalo, sabihin ko sa kanya, that is malversation.
Do you demand PhilHealth na mag-explain ito? Yung PhilHealth, do you demand na mag-explain ito sa public?
Yes. Mag-explain ako sa public?
And then,
Bubulahin kayo niyan.
Yung nag-comport kayo kay BP Inday after nung Thursday na
Wala ka kayo. Tugas ang babae yan. Kumaldita niyan. Dood lang.
What's your
Kaya
ng yung administration na hindi daw kayo isasubmit sa ICC, but if you are willing daw, magiging-coordinate daw sila.
I heard Mr. Marcos say that if he wants to submit himself to the ICC, we cannot do anything. Mr. Marcos, Presidente ka man, look at it. Wala akong problema. Insignificant rin ako dyan eh. But if you are going to recognize ICC, you're eroding the sovereignty of the country. Mas mabuti pa, wag ko nalang idamay yung bayan. Pack up na lang ako, tapos kung may mag-tweet na taga-ICC, bigyan ako ticket. Doon ako sa korte nila, mag-exhibition ako. Sabihin ko man lang sa ICC, sino ang taong pinatay ko, pinakauna? Anong pangalan? Saan? Anong ginamit ko? At anong rason? Tapos, sinong pangalan ng tao na pinatay ko last? Bago umalik ako pagka-presidente. Saan? Bakit? At anong ginamit ko?
So you're willing to base the ICC?
Ay ko. At yung pinakagitna, nasabi mo, so what I said that I ordered the killings?
Yes.
Yes, correct. Tinanong mo sana sino, saan, paano, at anong araw. Kasi yung kamatayan tayo, kada patay niyan, tatanong kita kung ano ang nangyari.
Sansyon.
O ano, pag-preparar ka ng, hindi kayo pwede maglay.
But on the investigation na binubuo ng project,
Ang investigations, nandoon ka sa polis. Huwag ka man kumuha kaya ang polis man tiga-investigar. O doon mo malaman.
Did you write the book ba during the
Wala naman doon na extrajudicial killing, care of Rudy Duterte. Stylianes, huwag mo na lang, ako gusto kong patulan. Pero alam mo talaga, hopelessly bugok. Talagang wala ka rin makuha eh. No use to engage a person na dreamer.
But there is saying you did a lot of biting. Personally, did you bite the hook while they were fishing?
Ano?
They're saying that you admitted a lot. And you were saying that they are into fishing expedition. Have you remembered a moment na you bite the hook of the Congress?
Kayo, nakikinig man kayo.
No.
Wala ma, nakikinig man kayo. Was there, did I take the hook? Bait?
Yeah.
Yes,
Saan?
when you said that, you ordered the
Oh,
and also when you said that there was a
the killing of what? Chickens, ang sinabi ko doon. Hindi ko man yan, no? Alam mo naman sabihin ko, look, because they were stupid persons ask me questions. I was answering them stupid answer. What did you admit? Yes, I would admit, but because they would like to hear na anong gusto nilang what they would like to hear. So binigay ko sa